That was a supremely unnecessary grunt. Or would that be like a sigh? Would that be a gry? It's not a word. I just made it up, so it is a word now. Check the dictionary. Just kidding, don't do that. I hope everyone had a really great, safe Memorial Day weekend. I don't really know what people do on Memorial Day weekend because I do not eat grilled meats. Whatever you did, I hope you had a great time. Subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm not gonna waste too much of your time today, so let's hop to it. This is haul series number 20-something. So I have three things from three different people / companies to unbox for you today, if you would like to. So we'll do that here. So this first one comes from our friends. You can tell by the tape. It's from Nike, a company based out of Portland, Oregon. Small startup. This is a release that came out, I think 2 weeks ago. I do not usually have much good luck on the sneakers app, but it seems like my luck is changing. So this is a Jordan 1. This is size 11. This is my size, because why wouldn't I get anything besides that? So this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro Homage to Home. As you can tell, it's a split design. It's half of a Chicago one and half of a band or bread one, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be honest, this is my first time holding these in hand. The leather on the white leather is really nice. The black leather on the side here is really nice. Yeah, the leather's actually not bad on this whole shoe. Here's the thing that got me tripped up a little bit. I didn't know that these were stitched. I thought these were just leather that was painted. That these are two different like sewn in things. That's pretty cool. So there it is, the Jordan 1 Homage to Home. They released these not too long ago in Chicago only with numbered pairs. So they released 2,300 of them. That pair is not numbered, so obviously the value is going to be a little bit lower. I don't know if I'm keeping them yet. I kind of wanted to see how they were in hand. So now that I have them in hand, I will have a decision for you later. This next thing we got, it's from our friend who shows up in these videos so often. It's the Goose. It's our buddy from Twitter. His handle is @IanGoose1. Probably one of the best humans on the face of this earth. Look at this packing material and everything. What is all this? This came in. I don't know what this is, but thank you, Ian. That's gonna be hanging out for a while. But this is the main thing I got from it. There's a size 11 Jordan 1. You just saw it again. It's another pair of the same thing. It's the Homage to Home. A mushed Jordan 1 band and Jordan 1 Chicago put together into one shoe. This is a really nice pair. Dig these. So I don't know which side I like better. You guys remember, these would actually be a nice, if you're into the whole fit thing, like matching your outfits, this would go really nice with a Scarface split tee. So that's not a bad idea, coming from someone who buys all of his shirts from thrift stores and whatnot. So check out the dude I got these from. His Twitter handle is @IanGoose1. He gave me extras, I don't know why, but that's pretty awesome. I appreciate that big time, buddy. Thanks! This last thing comes to us from our friends up north in Canada. This is actually from a specific dude who I have been in a Instagram direct message group chat with a long time, along with some buddies, Rahul, our UK friend Lee, and my other friend Jordan. He has a really dope Instagram page. You should check it out. It's @Flippin Laces. He's like one of the biggest Jordan heads and just Nike heads in general I've ever met. But he actually hooked me up with these. So I'm pretty stoked on this. Man, this is some packing. It came from Canada, so I understand why he packed it really well. Cool. So this is, it's a Jordan 1, size 11. Now, I have the Blue Moon pair of these already. He got me a pair of the clay green ones. These were actually readily available at one of the stores up by him in Toronto. I don't remember where, but these are a really nice pair. This green is a lot darker in person than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of like a, maybe like a darkish like forest green, but it's more like, I don't know how to describe it, but I really like the green on this. So everyone check him out @Flippin Laces on Instagram. What is this? And there's something else extra in here. What is this? Dude! Christian got me a hoodie from Parlor 23. Dude! If you guys don't remember, Parlor 23 is actually a shop in Toronto where their whole thing is like a money cap, but their basis is it's a sneaker boutique and a barbershop at the same time. Dude, this is, oh, dude, thank you so much. Oh, this is really cool. Woo, boy. I had no idea this was in here. I'm speechless. This is really cool. So these I got from my dude Flippin Laces. Everyone check him out. That's why Canada rules. I love Canada so much. Woo! That's really cool. So that's my haul for the week. Thanks guys for watching, but if you think I'm done, you are sorely mistaken because we're not doing a Q&A this one because it's time to give away a box of stuff. So I bet you're wondering, hey, SB Mitch, you handsome idiot, what exactly is a box of stuff? Well, it's pretty much what it is. I take a box and put things in it and give it to whoever wins it. It's never something I have pre-planned. There could be a shirt, there could be an accessory, there could be a pair of shoes in this thing, there could be a voucher for 2 tickets to see a movie. I don't know what I'm gonna do because it's your opportunity to win something from me and pretty much tell me what you like and I try to make it a gift. Not so much that it's just a giveaway, but it's me trying to take whatever information you give to me and I make a gift that is special for you. If you would like to win a box of stuff, here's what you gotta do. Go down below, click on the gleam.io thing. You'll need to visit ransomnotesneakers.com and also visit the website's Instagram page, and that will be 2 entries. Everyone can get a maximum of 2 entries, and whoever wins will win the box of stuff. This giveaway starts now, which is Tuesday at some kind of time, I don't really know yet, and it ends this Friday at 12 noon. But yeah, so that's basically it. If you want to win a box of stuff from me, go down below, hit the gleam.io link, and do what it says. If you want, you don't really have to. I'm not gonna make you sign up for like the newsletter or like follow me on Instagram. All I gotta do is visit me. This doesn't have to be work for you. I appreciate all the things that you guys and gals do for me, showing support, and I'm hoping that this is just a small gesture of how much I appreciate it. So everyone, good luck. If you have a second, go visit my website, ransomnotesneakers.com or rnsmnote.com, because there's a lot of stuff going on there. And if you see something that tickles your fancy, if you have a fancy, I don't know what it is or what it looks like. So thank you so much for watching, subscribers. Thank you for sticking around. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. I will see you in 2 videos. I'm going to do a beater box in between those, but good luck. Enter down below, and thank you so much. So till next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. Good luck to everyone, and thank you. We will see you later. Bye-bye!